Open the file Volume Report 8.0 Pro. This will take you to the main menu. This is the main menu. Enter the first date of billing period number 1. In this example we will write down September 25, 2016. The username will appear automatically. Now enter the plant number. Now enter the company name and the address. After you have entered the required information in the main menu, click billing period number 1. This is billing period number 1, week 1. The dates will update automatically. Use the space to enter information about the product. In this example we will write down combine all sizes. Now enter the information about the product. If the information it is not required, leave the space in blank. Now let's review the options on the right-hand side of your screen. We will review all 5 weeks. As you can see, all 5 weeks are updated with the information you entered in week 1. Please note you can only add or delete the information about the product in the first week of each billing period. The dates on each week will update it automatically accordingly to the information you entered in the main menu. Remember, on the top section it will tell you the billing period and the week number that you are working on. Codes. This will give you important information such as type of service, type of grade and the export country codes. Let's take a look at PY240S. This will be updated with the information you entered in the main menu such as the name of the company and the address. Also it will be updated with the beginning of billing period and the last day of the billing period, which it will be the last Saturday of each month. On this section, total received, the manager or supervisor of each plant will give the totals. When you receive the totals, write it down in this section. Remember, the only information you can add here will be the totals received. Now we will go to weekly and monthly report. Here it will let you know the amount of product accepted or retained. Daily and monthly. Use this button if you would like to print a copy. You can also print any sheet by clicking File then Print. Please note that you will see the same options on each billing period. Print PY240s by selecting this option. It automatically will print the volume report. On each week we have this option, Print Weekly Report. This option will print the weekly volume report. It is highly recommended to print the sheet the last Saturday or each week on every week. Let's review how to save your data. You will see this icon on every sheet. By clicking this button it will save you data. Make sure to save you data every time you make any change and before closing the volume report. Now that we know the basics on how to navigate throughout the billing period, let's add our daily volume. There are different ways to add your product. For example, on Monday we end up with 1830 dozens, 1000 for extra large, 500 for large and 300 for mediums. Select the corresponding cell and type $, then 1000 plus 500 plus 300, then hit enter. This will be equals to 1830 dozens. Now we are going to add 30 dozens in the retain section. Let's make a quick review on the form PY240S. You will see that the totals we entered our daily volume was updated to this form. Now we will add the totals for billing period number 1 week 1, then we will review the info in for PY240S and we will see the updates. We will use the same method to enter our daily volumes in the following weeks. In this example we have already complete each week with our daily volumes. Let's take a second to see each week. Now that you have entered your daily volumes on each week, we will go to PY240S. Remember, the form PY240S will tell you the last date of the billing period. All the volumes that you have entered on each week will be updated automatically on this form. Just enter the totals received and hit print PY240S. Always save your data. After we have finished with billing period number 1, we will go to the main menu, then we will click billing period number 2. This is billing period number 2 week 1. On billing period number 2, we would like make changes on the product information. The following weeks will be updated with the information you entered in week 1 of each billing period. In this example we would like to add an export to Canada. On the space type the type of grade AA. On this section we will use the code XN for export, the code CN for Canada. Now we will go to codes to verify that we entered the correct codes in this example. Now you know how to enter your volumes. Select billing period number 12. After you have complete and print the form PY240S for billing period number 12. It is time to start the new fiscal year. Click main menu. Now click delete all entries. This will take you a warning page. Please read the warning sign. Do you want to delete all the volumes? Click no to go back to the main menu. Also click main menu to go back. If you select yes, it will delete all your daily volumes. Click yes only if you are ready to start the new fiscal year. All volumes have been deleted. Go back to the main menu, and you are ready to start the next fiscal year. The first date of the next fiscal year will be October 1st, 2017. All the other information on the main menu will remain the same. Now click billing period number 1. Now you can start the new fiscal year. Please note that this program have many features not mentioned on this video, such as warnings and error messages. This concludes the review of Volume Report version 8.0 Pro. Thank you for watching.